Hello, and welcome to another MCO update on Solana. The Solana chart currently is still trying to form another high. At least Solana is trying. Yeah, first of all, no confirmed substantial price top yet. So the market might still try for one more high here in what I have labeled as wave 5 of C of 5. So this is still unchanged, potential for potentially one more high. Not needed though. I mean, it's just not needed. It's possible that here in this sideways consolidation that happened over the weekend, where really there hasn't been any change to the chart, right? But in this sideways consolidation, the market might have just formed a fourth wave. Yeah, just pointing out here the potential we could still go higher. There's basically no confirmed top in place. And it takes a break below the red line here that I've added to the chart at $167.50 for a first indication of a price top. So until we break below that level, there's absolutely no sign of a price top. That being said, a break below that level is really only the first indication, because what you see just below that is the micro support zone that's defined between $159.67 and $168.23. Here between the 50% retracement and the 23.6 retracement levels. These levels are absolutely relevant because technically speaking, the wave 4 could stretch all the way down to the 50% retracement. Now, that being said, you see that this wave 4 is already quite big, quite massive compared to what this wave 2 was. And therefore, therefore I've added the red line, because that is just the previous swing lows. And if wave 5 has really started, then it shouldn't break below that level. That's quite simple. So yeah, overall, what can I say? The overall short-term uptrend remains intact. We could get that one more high there. And the next resistance is around $191. And I'm just waiting for a signal that this 5-wave pattern that started in April is complete. We've only just now reached, let's say, ideal targets in this area here around $170. And we've only last week formed that 5-wave move up complete. Okay, so now it's a matter of just waiting for that upside momentum to fade, okay, for downside momentum to come in and to confirm the start of the wave 2. At the moment, while I record this video, market is still pushing, trend still seems strong. At least the sideways consolidation on a very high level does not indicate that we have formed a price top. It's very important to understand that Solana likes to move with Bitcoin, probably more closely related with Bitcoin than many other coins in this cycle. Solana has really followed Bitcoin very, very nicely throughout the entire cycle. So it's just something to keep in mind. So as long as Bitcoin is also consolidating on a high level, Solana will likely not form a pullback. So keep that in mind. Yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on X. Here you'll get additional updates. Today I posted an update about Casper, for example. If you have any questions about the Solana chart, just make sure you come over here. You can just ask a question below one of the previous posts here. I'll be there today to reply. And also you get additional updates, mindset stuff, and behind the scenes stuff, and all sorts of things. So yeah, check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.